I'm Geeta. I'm the founder of Unboxing Memories. So this expo is happening at HITEX Business Expo for Women Entrepreneurs. I find this opportunity as a great chance for me to see a lot of people, to reach to a lot of other sectors. So my business is mainly customizing gift boxes according to the occasions, events and requirements of the personal choices and favorites. So we do a lot of hampers for weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, pregnancy announcements and wedding decorations and baby hampers, baby arrival hampers. So we discuss with you what exactly you need. We show what can be done. We try to make sure that we keep it within your budget so you can also get it for a reasonable price, and we send it across India by courier, and also if it is in Hyderabad we do same day delivery through Rapido or Uber, and we make sure that it reaches on time. So the gifts are personalized and customized with their own names, and there are different kind of hampers as you see in the video. So we check with you what exactly you liked, and we do it only if you like it. So yeah, that's all. Please try to visit this stall if possible, and my social media handles are on Instagram with the name Unboxing Memories Hyderabad, which are customized gifts totally based upon your interests, and we try to help you make memories for yourself and for your loved ones as well. Thank you.